Okay, Milano family, we're going to Yulia and Max Alon's home. Oh my God, it's so gorgeous. We have a little gift, so come with me. So excited. Hello, hi. Okay, this is for you. Welcome, Milano family, and welcome to Yulia and Max's beautiful home, their beautiful kitchen. Do you love it?
Oh my God, I love it, love it, love it.
Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous. And we're going to show them more details. We're going to walk around the house, not just for the kitchen, but also for the bathrooms.
You're welcome.
Okay. All right. Okay. So come over here with me. Yulia selected, and she was the design idea person in selecting all of this. So this beautiful island countertop is quartz, and it's called Calacatta Black. So it's incredible. It makes a statement. So as you can see, she's got a lot of the black and white tones. So this selection, Yulia, was wonderful.
Thank you so much.
Then we put here, if you can see, the cabinetry here is the darker Avora 4. So it's like a kind of a black.
I think that you can see it from that side, and I have also both two sides. I have cabinets because the island is really big. So now I have space really for everything that I just need.
Well, so let's go take a peek so everyone can see. So she's got her bar stools here, but even though she's got the bar stool, she still has an area where she can open up these drawers, or these cabinets, excuse me, and look at all the space that she has underneath. That's a lot. Is it functional for you?
Oh, absolutely, because I have an open space, so I have all my dishes and the Tupperware, which I'm putting on the table for the dining. So it's easy for me just to move it out, and that's it.
Now we're talking about the dark Avora 4. This you decided to do with a lighter Blanco Polar. So tell us a little bit about these cabinets.
I loved it because honestly, still you cannot see all the prints on it. So even I use it every day, and I have a baby who's small, and even here you see pretty much everything is clean.
So that's really important to kind of pay attention to, because this is the Lior Blanco Polar, and everyone thinks, being that it's, you know, so shiny, that it's going to have the fingerprints.
With white.
So no, so you have had a great experience.
Yeah, of course you have, and at some point you have to clean it, but like even you see, like I will touch it like this.
It's crazy.
It's nothing that's so much you will. Really.
And let's open these up. Look at this. Look at how organized. Oh, she's so organized.
Thank you.
But this is fantastic. And look at these. Look at her poles. Absolutely beautiful. And then too, here we did the Calacatta Black as well.
Yeah. So I tried to. I loved the idea to use a little bit of gold. So that's why I especially choose these handles and pretty much everything to combine it with black.
To tie it all in together.
And because I have really extremely high ceilings here, so I have they made a gorgeous job to make some extra for me, to invent, especially for me, these tops, and to make it a little bit more lighter with the glass, and they put the lights inside, so it's made all the kitchen not too
beautiful.
Heavy, but a little bit to make it more lighter.
Yeah, so so Milano clients, just so you know, these are available. So it's something, when you change it up a little bit, you've got the cabinetry and then you've got the glass on top. It makes a big difference. It makes a statement. And then you can put all your fabulous things on top that you want to show to your family and friends.
And I think it was my special desire because I really loved it so much, but that's what you made for me, and I'm still enjoying it every day. I have an extra cabinet here with glass on the side.
Oh, come over this way.
It's all also with lighting. So I just don't have a plain white wall. I have on my glass with lightings on the side.
Oh, that's just wonderful. I love it.
Really, one thing that I wanted my trash can to be right here.
Oh, yeah.
Not there. And it was a point that really you made a great job still to make it so like symmetric, all the drawers, that it should look nice.
Oh, it's incredible.
So it's really, even it's a lot of them, but they're looking really cute.
And this, I love this with the backsplash and your shelves. Yulia, you did, oh my God, your design ideas are just incredible.
Thank you.
Oh, and let's pop over this way. This is another area, so the kitchen is going to flow over in this direction. We have another area with the same countertops, more of the cabinetry. Look at her black and gold poles.
So, and I have inbuilt refrigerator, which I wanted to make
Mhm.
it with special drawers on top. So this is also was custom made for me
Yes.
because of the size.
And that's another
that's
really
what I
a thing
love.
that's very important is that we can do everything custom. So Jack, so this refrigerator is going back, and this is the Blanco Polar side panel. So it's covering the side of the refrigerator. So it really continues to make it super duper sleek and super, super beautiful. Really nice.
Yeah.
Let's walk over this way. And again, look up. We've got the beautiful glass cabinetry on top to show all of her wonderful items here. So we're going to move into the next section, but Yulia, kitchen, a thumbs up.
I'm so
Yay!
happy. Thank you.
Okay.
It's my enjoyment really to cook here, to host the friends, and everybody really enjoying spending time just in the kitchen.
We love you, and we're so happy that you invited us into your home, your beautiful home. And stay tuned, we've got more to show you.